have been sat still, welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for you remote workers out there, you people that are working remotely or hybridly. If you need some movement, if you've been sitting still or standing still for too long, this movement video, 3 minutes only, is for you. We're going to be doing rolls across the desk like this, starting 3 minutes from now. Here we go. And back and forth. Now this is just a simple movement that can help for you to transfer weight from side to side, and also, depending on the size of your desk, it will enable you to have a bigger arms reach. If you wanted to go on and reach further past your desk, once you've rolled the orange across the desk, that can also enable you to extend your reach for it to, for example, rolling off the table. But this simple 3-minute movement, for those of you that have been working from home, that are remote working, I know that some of you have been sat still or standing still for over 1 hour. Now that is detrimental to our well-being, our mental health, and our productivity when it comes to doing anything work-wise or concentrative-wise. These simple movements are going to increase your movement in your lower back. There's also a little bit of movement. Oops. Okay, try not to drop it. Focus. A little bit of movement in the legs. So it's strengthening our quad muscles, and depending on how low you can go, depending on how high your standing desk is or your actual desk, you can get a lot more range into every movement that you do. You have just over 1 minute remaining. Keep it up for those of you that are doing well so far. And if you can implement these daily movements into your working schedule, I can guarantee you, not only will your body thank you, your mind will also thank you, and believe you me, your organization or whatever work you might be doing will certainly thank you for your productivity and your intense focus that will be hyper increased after doing one of these 3-minute videos. For those of you that have made move today, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment how you found this exercise, this movement activity for the 3 minutes. You have just 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Great job. Well done. Well done, everybody. Good job. My name is Courtney Orange, the well-being motivator, the mindset mover. I hope you've enjoyed that video, and there are 6 more of these videos coming through to you after this one. Take it easy. Don't forget to keep on moving. Get the momentum going into the mind, the body, and the soul. I'll see you on the next video.